Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. And I want to take this time to thank everybody that's joined thus far. And I also want to thank everybody that's posting, everybody that's giving out good ideas on the New Wave, everybody that's helping the up and new coming detailers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. All right, I'm in Brentwood, Tennessee, right outside of Nashville. And today I will be doing 2 standard details. It'll be on this SUV that you see me doing right now. And also I'll be doing a sedan. I didn't get much footage of the sedan, but I did get maybe 1 or 2 shots of the sedan just to let you know it was there. I was pressed for time. I had another appointment right after this one, so I didn't have time to record the other one, but I did get some footage for you guys. The standard detail includes bug and tar remover, foam soap. The windows get cleaned inside and out. Tires are cleaned and dressed. Wheels as well. And don't forget about the clay and spray wax. Also, the dash, crevices, cup holders, vents, door jambs get cleaned. Of course, we do a vacuum. All right, so most of you may know that I detail out of the state. And there are a few things that I have to consider when leaving the state to detail. First off, you want to make sure you have something like AAA. Make sure you bring tools. And with the size van that I'm driving, I always throw my floor jack in there and my 4-way lug wrench. Just in case I have a tire issue, I can quickly jack my van up and switch out the tire with the spare, and I'll be good. Because all that driving back and forth on the highway, I just always feel that at some point there will be a tire issue. My tires are good, but you never know. Also, you want to make sure that you know you have a place where you can get water. And the funny thing about it is, it's crazy that I did not think about that, because every time I come down, I just started the business, and, I'll come down and do 2 vehicles, 3 vehicles. But what if I come down and have to do 3, and then 2 more people want their cars done? The more cars I do when I'm down here, the better, because it offsets my expenses that I have to pay. So what I did is I went to Home Depot and got me a water key. I also got one of those long collapsible hoses, the ones that shrink up and expand out. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Luckily, I end up meeting the security guard at this building, and he told me that if I'm ever in the area, to give him a call if I need water, and he'll let everybody know that I'm coming by to get water so nobody will bother me when I'm hooking up or whatever. He told me if I wanted to fill up, go ahead and fill up. I'm like, oh, thanks. So you got a hose? He said, no, I can put one out there for you. He put a hose out there for me. I'm like, cool. I go out there, I use my water key, and I filled up. It was pretty awesome. So it's just certain things that you got to think about when you're out here. You never know what's going to happen. You just got to hope for the best and plan for the worst. I also always Google, where's the nearest Harbor Freight, Walmart, Home Depot, and Northern Tools. Out of these 4 stores I just named, You can find something that works if your equipment breaks down. You'll be able to find something. And also, most of my stuff comes from Harbor Freight. So, if anything tears down that's Harbor Freight, I'm taking it back and getting another one. I'm not going to even play around. And even if you don't detail out of the state, you in your home state, this works as well in your own state. Make sure you carry your hose with you. Make sure you have a water key. Make sure you know where your nearest Home Depot. You probably already know that. Your nearest Harbor Freight, your nearest Northern Tools, and Walmart. But you probably already know that if you live there. But this stuff also works in your own state. Thanks for watching, and shouts out to the new wave. Peace.